100+ crore sales every year. Corporate tax bill close to zero. India में sales तो थी but profit was zero. Imagine करो अपना बंदा अर्जुन है, ZNMD वाला hustler, owns 50+ coffee stores across Mumbai. ठीक है, they're doing 100+ crore sales every year. Can I have one matcha, one coffee? That crowd. ठीक है, now you're thinking corporate tax कुछ तो crazy भर रहा होगा, but you'll be surprised to know this corporate tax bill close to zero. Yeah, आप लोग सोच रहे हो निर्मला सीतारमण टैक्स लेना भूल गई. But I'll tell you what happened. Arjun अपना भाई within the laws, nothing illegal, okay? Arjun did not bribe anybody, did not do any of that. But what he did was found interesting loophole in the tax system. What he does is, this is India. He's selling the coffee from his company, Star Coffee. Okay, this is in India. So now what Arjun does is, he has a parent company in Singapore. ठीक है? So this is Singapore में, this is the parent company. Arjun goes and tells them कि यार I will use your name to sell from in India. Star Coffee के नाम से मैं बेचूंगा. इसके लिए I will give you royalty. ठीक है? So if I do 10 lakhs of sales, I'll give you a huge amount. I'll give you 8 lakhs in royalty. So ये अर्जुन सोचा I'll do this. Second, he goes to his Switzerland company. अर्जुन जाता है अपनी स्विट्जरलैंड कंपनी में. Both he only owns. He tells the Switzerland company कि कॉफी बना रहा हूँ, but मैं इंडिया से माल नहीं लूंगा. I'll take the stuff from you. Coffee beans, I'll take from here. And he says, I'll pay you more because you're my company only. So what happened is eventually कि Arjun was doing sales in India of 100 crores. But a huge chunk went into royalties to Switzerland company and a huge chunk went away in raw materials to Switzerland company. And India में sales तो थी but profit was zero. So guys, ये जो story है ये actually अर्जुन की नहीं है. This is an interesting story of a huge brand Starbucks. And this is what they did in UK. 2012 तक they did about $3 billion sales in UK, paying taxes close to zero. So ये story मैंने आप लोगों को क्यों बताई? This is a classic case for all you ACCA students in international tax planning. It's also a case of thin line between tax avoidance and tax evasion. What do you think? What do you guys think? ये fair था कि नहीं था? What they did? Yeah, it was just a smart legal structure that they followed. So if you liked it, तो थोड़ी ताली वाली बजाओ यार. And for you guys, आप लोग जो देख रहे हो, do follow the page Zen Education. Thank you for watching the video.